everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today, I hope to bring you a day vlog. So, let's see what I'm doing today. Now, I am ready to go to city office because I have some work to do there. When we moved to Osaka, I had go there many times. But the city office is very close to my house, so it's very easy for me. We are living in an apartment complex. In Japan, most people live in apartments. I'm on my way home now that I'm done with work at the office. I also grabbed a few things from the supermarket. I'm thinking of whipping up a quick dessert later, so I pick up few things for it. It's autumn now. I really like this time of year because it's not too cold now. The weather is quite mild. Okay, I'm back to home. So let's see what I bought at the supermarket. I bought cocoa powder, packet of yeast, packet of baking powder, sugar and vinegar. Now I'm going to prepare lunch. So I'm going to make a quick and easy meal. Actually, I'm not making this according to a recipe. I'm going to make a one pot meal using the ingredients today I have. What do you think? You guys should try this. It's actually really good for your busy life. After lunch, I took a 30-minute nap. Now I'm going to make a mug cake. This is my first time trying this recipe, so let's try it out. Today I'm making this for 2 people. However, I'll only list the ingredients and their quantities per person. To make this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, quarter teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of milk, half teaspoon of instant coffee and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. First, combine all dry ingredients except instant coffee. Next, mix the instant coffee with the milk. Then, add the milk and oil to the dry mixture and mix well. As a final step, I add some chocolates. Then place this in the microwave oven and heat it for 2 minutes. Heating time may vary depending on your microwave oven. Tada! It's ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.